What's going on, watchmates, watch fans? FMTP tayo for the month of May. So magpe-flex tayo ng mga timepieces dito o mga relo at hindi braso. Ibig sabihin, magko-comment at magre-react tayo dito sa mga pinadalang relo ng mga outstanding subscribers natin. Special episode tayo ngayon. Bakit? Alamin natin yan. Sa mga nagpadala or mga magpapadala pa ng entries dito sa monthly roundup natin, pili lang kayo ng price nyo or parang token na ibibigay namin sa inyo. It's either watch essentials ba or gusto nyo Gcash na lang, para at least man lang meron kayong pangkape or panggas kung meron kayong sasakyan. Sa mga interesadong sumali dyan or para sa price na yan, or kung gusto nyo lang i-flex yung review dito sa channel, padala nyo yung entries dito sa nakikita nyo email address. Kung wala naman kayo access sa email, pwede rin naman kayong mag-comment dyan. Tapos pag-usapan natin kung paano nyo ipapadala sa amin ng mga entries. Sige, huwag na natin patagalin, isang mabilis lang. Simulan natin dito sa first entry natin. Galing kay Miss Karen G from Manila. Siya ay isang office secretary. Ang kanyang pinadala dito ay fossil. Ito yung kanyang message sa email. Binigay sa akin ng kaibigan ko when we went to a small trip in Bataan. Birthday niya kasi noon, tapos sinama niya ako para mag-celebrate. Okay, this is, I believe, is a stainless steel plated fossil watch. Okay, I think my friend was planning to buy a new one. It made me feel a bit special sa akin because it came from her, which is a special friend. Bukod sa dalawa ko pang watch, I wear it from time to time for its sentimental value. Okay, so sabi niya dito, in spite of its physical condition, I still rate it 10 out of 10 because of how I got the watch. Ang cool ng story ng relo, no? So parang ano siya, parang friendship tie or friendship band. Masasabi ko lang, siguro una sa lahat, gusto ko muna i-appreciate yung pagiging simple nitong relo. Ito kung makikita nyo, diba? And I think hindi naman siya as expensive especially knowing fossil, no? Hindi naman siya luxury brand So may second take dito. Iniisip ko tuloy na nung nakita ko yung picture, parang yung relo was really meant for you, no? Kasi kung titignan mo, both yung size ng bezel tsaka yung strap, it perfectly fits your wrist Even the color tone, it matches your complexion perfectly. Hindi na usapan dito yung monetary value niyan, no? Kasi most of us capable naman bumili ng relo Pero iba yung feeling na pagka may nakaalala sa'yo tapos binigyan ka ng relo, no? It adds a little special feeling. Dahil dyan, ang tip ko sa inyo, make someone feel special. Kaya bilhin nyo na itong binibenta kong relo. Ito, yan, Citizen Eco Drive tsaka Seiko SNK automatic with day and day. Regalo nyo dun sa special someone nyo. Anyway, may shorts tayo dyan, panoorin nyo na lang, baka magustuhan nyo yung relo, interested kayo. Pag-usapan natin, di ba, kung paano nyo mabibili. Anyway, salamat Karen G dun sa pinadala mong entry Hindi mo pala na-mention yung pangalan ng friend mo, no? Di para na shoutout sana natin. I hope mas lalong tumibay yung friendship nyo kasi tibay nitong relo na binibenta ko. Okay, so bago tayo tumuloy sa susunod na entry, no? Salamat nga pala dun sa mga nanood dun sa episode natin ng wristwatch of NCR City Mayors, no? May karugtong na episode dyan, naka-prepare na, pina-finalize na lang. Siguro i-release natin by next week. Natuwa lang ako dun sa mga comment kasi may mga mahusay manghula Parang nahulaan nila kung ano yung susunod na episodes. Ito, pakita natin. Ayun, salamat pala dun sa mga positive tsaka mga magagandang comments nyo, no? So, thank you for being respectful and thank you for keeping our channel a healthy community. Kung ako naman magko-comment doon, siguro ang masasabi ko, yung mga city mayors na yan, their constituent elected them for a reason. Apart from that, karapatan naman ng mga city mayors natin yan, no? Tsaka they have the capability to acquire such thing. And para sa akin, no, yung mga city mayors naman dyan, bukod sa yes, public servant sila, but we also have to consider that they have to represent an entire city of constituents. Syempre, humaharap sa ibang mga matataas na tao yan like CEO or leaders of other countries. So para sa akin, as their constituent, I want them to look and feel at their best. And each of them has their own way of expressing themselves at their best. So yun lang. Tapos special mention nga pala dito sa nag-super thanks, super comments. Thank you again. Sana dumami pa yung pera mo para makapagpadala ka uli ng marami. Thank you so much. Sige, for entry number 2, galing kay Miss Connie F from Taguig. Ang message niya dito sa email is, I retired in a car manufacturing company. Please let the brand be anonymous, okay? And I retired as the head of finance last 2024. And now, overseeing 2 convenience stores and my 3 grandkids. Sabi niya dito, I have 2 other wristwatches that are significantly less attainable than this, since this one is cheaper. So meron pang 2 wristwatches si madam na a little bit more expensive dito sa entry niya. Sige, pakita natin. But this 2-door Hydronaut marks one of the best moments of my life. Why? Because this is my husband's wedding gift in 1998. Medyo matagal na to Ilang years yon. Anyway, as my workhorse wristwatch ever since, I am amazed that it is still functioning as it should. Just like our marriage after 27 years. I agree. Tapos sabi pa niya dito, FYI, I only saw your channel when my son asked me to send this entry. I hope your audience will appreciate the watch. So, ayun. Thank you, Madam Connie. I'm sure ma-appreciate naman ng mga audience natin yung pinadala yung entry, no? Pati na ako, syempre, na-appreciate ko. Kahit parang sinabi nyo dito na hindi pa pala kayo nakasubscribe, Pero baka naman. Pero kidding aside, medyo matagal na pala yung relo nyo, Miss Connie, So, kung tao yan, more or less, nagtatrabaho na yun ngayon. Since 1998, sabi niyo dito, around 27 years na siya, Pero to be honest, mas mahal pa tong Tudor Hydronaut ni Madam compared doon sa ibang wristwatch ng mga city mayors natin, 'Di ba? Subukan niyo i-google yung Tudor Hydronaut. But anyway, may question lang ako. Ito bang si Tudor Hydronaut, base dito sa nakikita kong image doon sa pinadalang entry, fixed bezel ba to or rotating bezel ba siya? Tapos ayan, as what I'm seeing, naingatan siya for more than 2 decades, Pero as expected, mayroon na siyang few scratches, Mga battle scar yan, kumbaga. Parang syempre, parang yung kasal nyo, maraming pinagdaan ng troubles and hardship. Pero still working up to this point, Question ulit, brand of choice mo ba tong Tudor or si sir or si Mr. nyo po yung pumili? Tapos quick trivia lang, Rolex and Tudor is a sister company which is owned by Hans Wilsdorf Foundation. So my personal take here is Tudor has an excellent reputation on a watch enthusiast standpoint. So as we know, craftsmanship is kind of expected dyan sa Tudor, Kasi they've already been in the industry for several decades now. But its longevity takes it on another level. Parang it resonates or parang it somehow resonates your marriage, So ang masasabi ko lang din is the wristwatch and also si sir, yung husband nyo, already proved the test of time. Happy belated silver wedding anniversary po sa inyo, and of course I wish you more years to come dun sa inyong pagsasama. Tapos may tagapagbana na ba itong relo nyo, madam? Yun lang, thank you po ulit and congratulations po. Next, updates in the world of horology. Ito yung mga latest from Rolex, yung kanilang Iron Tiger. And then yung GMT Master 2 green dial. Tapos si AP rin, one of their most recent watch, itong Royal Oak Chronograph 41mm. Patek also has the Nautilus Oath Jewelry 35mm. Ayun, check nyo din itong latest from yan. Okay, tapos mamimigay pala tayo ng wristwatches, Pag umabot ng 5,000 views itong video na to, mamimigay tayo nitong Pagani Design, Cadisen, and Olives. Ito yung mga brands dun sa episode natin nung ranking the most or the best understated wristwatch brands. Yung mananalo, pipili tayo. So ira-raffle natin kung sino yung mananalo niyang 3 wristwatches na yan. Basta mag-comment lang kayo sa video na to. Pagka may comment kayo sa video na to, automatic kasali na kayo sa raffle. Pagpipili na tayo ng winners, i-upload natin yung video. Looking forward, sana lahat kayo sumali. Welcome naman po kayong lahat. Okay, so third entry na tayo. Galing siya kay Aleha J. Tama ba yung pronunciation ko ng pangalan mo? Aleha or Alieja? Alieha. Anyway, from San Fernando. Saang San Fernando to? Mexico ba to? Sa Spain? Sa Pampanga. Okay. So sabi niya dito, Maya pa bengi kakong kabalen at detang watchmates. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Nakakaalam ba nun? Anyway, my manager in my first job got me into watches, particularly for the Seiko Presage that she wears daily. Okay, I am currently working as an accounting supervisor in a software company that is based in Poland since 2017. I wanted to share my simple Seiko selection open heart, which is, ito yung reference number, SSA 258J1, which I have been eyeing for quite a while. My husband found out when I left my working laptop one evening when he arrived from work. Okay, the guy had then surprised me with it when he got promoted as an associate operations head last April. So pagkakaintindi ko dito, nagbabrowse kayo ng relo, tapos naiwan yung naka-unlock yung laptop nyo, tapos nakita ni Mister. Tapos naisip niya na gusto niyo yung relo na yun, kaya binili niya nung na-promote siya bilang operations head nitong April. Ito lang, very recent, ano? Napaka-sweet ni Mister, O, tapos sabi niya dito, rating the physical condition of the watch is 10 out of 10. And its story is also a 10, which is, I agree naman, no? Medyo big time. Magkano kaya tong relo niyo, madam? Ang nakakatuwa pa dito, siya yung na-promote, pero siya pa yung nagregalo sa'yo. Napaka-spoiled niyo, madam, Dapat pala, Rolex yung binabrowse nyo, no? O kaya Cartier, no? Di pag nakita ni Mister, di, maganda-ganda yung nabili niya. Napakagalante. So yun lang, my personal take is at a glance, akala ko nga nung una, Seiko Presage, ito, tingnan mo itong picture mo, di ba? Akala ko Presage, Ayan, maganda yung craftsmanship, which is kind of expected din naman, sa Seiko. Lalo siguro at this price point. Very elegant. Diba? Tapos question lang, may iba ka bang brand of choice nun or ibang model? In case na halimbawa discontinued na or parang out of stock na, meron ka bang ibang nagugustuhan na watch brand nun or model? Anyway, madam, thank you for this entry, Tsaka regards din dun sa husband mo, sana nanonood siya. Maganda pala nyo kay mister mo, siya naman yung mag-browse. Tapos iwan niya kunwari yung laptop niya na naka-unlock. Tapos ikaw naman yung makakita. Siya naman yung bilhan mo ng relo, no? Ang maganda naman tip ko kay mister, mag-browse ka na mag-browse ng Tag Heuer. Para pag nakakita nito ni Mrs. ni Madam Alieha, di ba, bawian lang, di ba? Anyway, kidding aside, thank you sa pagpapadala nyo, Tapos, syempre, more power to your marriage and more years to come sa inyong relationship. Thank you everyone. Ayun, so far yan lang yung entries at participant natin for this May monthly roundup. Tapos thank you dun sa mga senders natin, Yan, kay Miss Karen, kay Miss Connie, tsaka kay Miss Alieha. I am extremely thankful dun sa pagpapadala nyo, And thank you for being a part of this channel's growth. Thank you, Sana yung mga nagregalo sa inyo, regalo uli kayo para magpadala uli kayo ng entry. Anyway, thank you sa inyong lahat and God bless. Sa mga watchmates and subscribers, since more than 2,000 subscribers na tayo, bigay tayo ng mga wristwatch tsaka mga cash prizes. As a way of saying thank you for everyone for helping this channel grow. Kagaya nung sinabi ko kanina, pag umabot ng 5,000 views itong video na to, before June 30, mamimigay tayo ng wristwatches tsaka mga cash prizes. Ipili tayo ng 3 to 5 winners niyan. Basta mag-comment lang kayo, automatic kasali na kayo dyan sa raffle. Yung pagpili natin ng winners, i-upload natin yung video para fair. So hanggang dyan lang muna, Salamat sa panonood hanggang sa bahagi nito ng video. Abangan nyo yung upcoming episodes natin, yung karugtong ng wristwatch ng mga city mayors, about government officials sa wristwatch naman, tsaka yung mga popular celebrities, local and abroad meron. So hanggang dito muna, salamat sa panonood hanggang sa bahagi nito ng video. Stay tuned and keep watching.